Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix share screen audio not working on Discord. So let's start. So if you want to share the screen from your PC on Discord and you can do it or the audio is not working, what you can do is check your audio it's working very well. So for doing this, let's go to the left side and let's go to user settings here, and you will find a menu in the left side. As you can see, just scroll down a little bit and then let's go to voice and video here, and you have to check if the audio is working correctly on your computer. So you can check here. Let's check if this is working correctly. You can see the line here, and well, you also can modify some settings here if you prefer. What is your need on the panel. So here you can fix the audio and check if everything is okay, the microphone, the output device, if the audio is working correctly here. If you want to activate the sensitivity, you can do it. I would recommend you to do this part, and the echo also you can fix it. So after you check it, you back again and you have to check if everything works correctly for sharing the device here with the user. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.